This ceiling light was not in use, so I decided to make a table lamp. It's 25-watt yellow halogen lamp, and for the stand I'm using the accessories of the action camera. We need at least two axes of rotation, so I will adjust these parts, segments I mean. And this much height is enough, and to hold the lamp I will use this acrylic piece, make hole to put the screw. Finally we got this shape. The lamp will stick this way, but before that I will do the wiring works. I'm using a fabric, it provides strong bond. And to light this lamp I'm using 12-volt adapter. It's bright enough to read in the dark. We can adjust its focus. Okay, hope you like this video and sure to subscribe. See you in the next video.